how to change featured products on Shopify. From the homepage of Shopify, we are going to go to products, which is the third option here from the left hand side, and then we have to go to collections. Now you will be able to see your featured products collection right here. If you don't have one, you will simply need to create a collection here using this button. Once you have your collection created, if we click on it, then we can set a description for it as well as add different products here. If you want to sort the products, you can sort them manually right here, and you can readjust their order like so. Or you can also sort them by best selling, and you can also search to add products here from your previously added products. For example, this keychain, and I'm going to highlight it and I will have added it here. If you want to remove any products, then you simply click on this cross or X at the right corner of it. So that's how you actually change featured products on Shopify. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.